Hello, welcome to Ticker TV. My name is Divya and I am from the Trade Run. In this video, we are going to discuss about the various styles of trading. The first style is scalping. So what is the scalping method? So scalping method is basically where the trader takes a position for a couple of seconds, maximum to a minute. Okay, so what does he do? In this, he tries to take advantage of minor price fluctuations from quick trading. So he is going to take multiple amount of trades but get out at minor price intraday fluctuations. Okay, so a scalper basically uses a 5-minute time frame to a 1-minute time frame. And a scalper basically needs a market which has high volatility and liquidity. So you will see that scalping method is very common in the foreign exchange market, alright, because foreign exchange segment has high amount of liquidity as well as volatility. The next style of trading is intraday trading. So for a person who is not very comfortable with the excitement level or with the speed of the scalping method, for him there is intraday trading because he wishes to take the trade only for today and does not want to hold an overnight position. So what happens in intraday trading? A trader takes the position for that particular day and exits the same day. So he can exit with a profit or a loss, and this trade is basically taken for a couple of minutes to a couple of hours. So the trader has to be in front of the screen and he has to monitor his trade as well. An intraday trader basically uses a daily time frame, an hourly time frame, and also a 15-minute time frame as well. Now next we have the swing trader. So how is a swing trader different from all the other traders? A swing trader basically takes a trade for a couple of weeks, alright, for a couple of weeks or a couple of days as well. Now he basically does not have the time to sit in front of the screen all day. So this sort of trading is very common amongst people who are already having a job, alright. So those who are already working but do not have the time to trade the markets on a daily basis, so they do their study once or twice a week, take the particular trades and then they are doing their job as well. तो उनका trade तो चल रहा है पर साथ साथ में job भी चल रहा है. Okay, so swing trading is very common against people who use the stock market as a passive income. A swing trader generally uses the weekly and the daily time frame. An intraday trader is taking advantage of the price fluctuations on a daily basis. A scalping trader is also taking advantage of the price fluctuation on a daily basis. A swing trader is taking advantage of the price fluctuations on a daily or a weekly basis that is happening. The next style of trading is positional trading. Okay, so a positional trader basically takes advantage of the long-term price fluctuations that are happening in the market. A positional trader uses a mix of technical analysis and fundamental analysis for his entry and exits. He majorly uses time frames like weekly and monthly. Okay, so a positional trader is not really concerned about the minor fluctuations that are happening on an intraday basis. He basically checks his trades on a monthly basis, and if he feels that the trade is going fine, then he continues on the trade, or if he wants to change a current position, he can do that as well. So constantly sitting and monitoring the market is not required by a positional trader as well. So these positional traders and investors, they are also known as investors at times, they basically review their trades every 6 months and they are done for the day. So these were the different styles of trading. Now when you enter as a fresher in the market, you should try every style, and in the end you should go with the style that suits you the best and gives you the maximum amount of profits. You should not be scared in trying out any style, and you should not have a pre-notion judgment that ये मेरे लिए है या ये मेरे लिए नहीं है. आपको जो है हर स्टाइल ट्रेडिंग का ट्राई करना चाहिए, फिर एंड में आपको जो सूट करता है you should go with that. In the further videos, we are going to discuss more about the markets and more about technical analysis. Stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video.